Graham from ML Gardner. I got this for the wife for Valentine's Day because I'm romantic like that. Don't be yelling at my precious angel. She's leaving. She doesn't care about your opinion. You probably don't know this, Mom, but all the best food comes off the ground. We ground me. I'm not the one telling you not to eat stuff off the ground. Lady, you're going to get dirty, and then Mom's going to be mad. Hi. Today? Okay, bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. So I think what we're going to do with the forget-me-nots in my cetagram for my awesome loveness. So I'm just going to drop a couple in there. Oh, yeah. They're tiny. Oh, there's a lot more going in there than what I thought. Oh, I hope that's not a lot. All right. We'll sprinkle. I bought this fancy sprayer because it's supposed to spray upside down as well. From Rural King. Mist. All right. And then the Cracker Jack Marigolds. And then this monstrosity that I have going on over here. I don't know how many of these I threw over there in the yard, though. Just putting that out there. I can't get a hold of him. We're just going to take him, stick him in there. I don't need to multi-sow these. I had 100% germ rate on them last time. That was not fun. This is fun, and I like to do this. Look at that. It wiped right off. Madame Destructo. Paint in the refrigerator. I mean, it's got a little blue tint to it now, but that ain't no big deal. Adds feng shui to the kitchen. No. It's just her way of proving she was here. Hi. You say cheese. Cheese. Hey, just please don't pull that tray down. A good mist. There you go. Forget-me-nots. Marigolds. So we got a gift from family, and these are little eggplants. So we're going to try to up-pot them to just help them survive until we get them to the garden. Plus, they're kind of tiny. I'm just not about it. I have no idea what these eggplants are, but we're still going to put them in the Happy Frog. About to there. Oh, that was way more. That ought to be okay. Gonna turn these guys over. Oh, there he is. Nice. Scoot him down in there. I think that's gonna work. I mean, I kind of. Oh, okay. I didn't like. Oh, he's coming apart. Get in there. Oh, and I bent that dude. There's like a super root wad on them, but they're not terrible. I'll probably reuse these because I can. All right. All right. 3 eggplant. Label them because I hate myself and like to do it after I put the plants in for whatever reason. Don't worry, I got out. Eggplants complete. These guys are going to need some time inside before they get moved out. I actually have an asparagus shoot, just saying. Alright, we're going to start the chaos now. We got Serranos, we got Wonder Bells, we got Ace 55s, we've got jalapenos. Just a bunch of stuff that I did not get done in a timely manner. So I guess we can start here. The plan is, hopefully, fish these guys out. We'll lose these bottom leaves. Try to tease these apart without destroying them too much. It's not too bad. Ooh, the Wonder Bell. Of course it is. I keep doing that. Alright, there's two bells. We got Roma VFs. Like, I've been struggling with these guys all season. Get him busted loose out of there. I'm just wondering if these guys aren't suffering from overwatering. Pluck these bottom leaves that look sketchy off of there. Get that about like so. Lift it up a little bit. Enough to keep it off the bottom. Dirt. Maybe that'll help. Alright. Next. An Ace 55. Oh, he's not in that terrible shape. Just needs some love. What are you dealing with here? Serranos. What are you saying to me? Oh. That should be Wonder Bell. Wonder Roma. Ace 55. Serrano. My Sharpie's not working because wait. Serrano. That's a wonder. That's a wonder. That was a wonder bell. Well, if these live, you'll have 4 Wonder Bells. Okay, maybe you'll have a lot more Wonder Bells. That cup has a big hole in it. Just around the river bend, the spirit of the wind. I am an Indian. Alright, I lied. 5 Wonder Bell peppers, and I didn't even want 1. I wasn't really that concerned with it, honestly. But I gotta let all these dry to write on them because, like an idiot, I sprayed them with a spray bottle, and now they won't write on them. And I actually think I have way more than I have space for right now. I mean, I know we have more that are going to be ready to transition. That's not going to help me write. Meow. Oh yeah, this is a little feller. Somehow I got 4 Serranos and this one. Those are all Serranos. Serrano. Oh, I have 3 jalapeno plants out of the like 12 that I planted. Yeah, I got a crap ton of Wonder Bells, which was like not my top of the list of what I was hoping would grow. Like, I mean, I know you like them, but they take too long to grow, honestly.